Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, now in today's video, we have quick and easy meals, and this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, and we also have hosting with us Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the channel links down below in the description box, so let's get started, guys. Now in this video, we're going to be making some low carb or keto friendly chicken creamy soup, and it is so delicious. So we're starting out here with cutting this chicken. So let me just go ahead and move on with other things I need to announce. Now, did you know that every time you click the like button and you full watch a video, this helps me to grow, and even sharing the video. But when you comment below, this lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Now what you see me doing here at first is we want to flash fry this chicken just to make sure that it's cooked. And I'm throwing some onion in here and some chicken broth and a little bit of olive oil. Remember to season to taste according to you. My house seasoning is normally salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. And that's just what I start out with. You can always add spices later. Also remember that whenever you have a collaboration, you always want to follow YouTube etiquette. You always want to run the playlist, and you always want to watch everybody's videos all the way through. You want to make sure and click the like button, and you do want to comment, guys, because if it was your video, you'd want them to do it to you. Also, what this does is increase watch hours, and you actually get to meet people that are not already subscribed to you, so this helps you to grow. Now, YouTube always lets me know how many people are watching my videos and whether they're clicking in and out of the video. So this is what happens. I have a large number of viewers that are returning viewers to my videos, but they're not actually subscribed. So what I would love for you to do, because they don't charge you to subscribe, and you may not know that, but you want to subscribe so that every time I release a video, you're aware of it. And then this also helps me to grow, and then helps you, to get notified whenever I release a video because you're enjoying it. As you can see here, I always use onion because I absolutely love onion. And we're going to add that to the chicken along with some chicken stock, if I didn't already do so, because I'm talking in the video. But this is what we're doing here. I love onions, gives it a lot of flavor. So you always want to drop some in there. Now make sure and head on over to the community tab, where there you are going to find all of the collaborations. Now I am releasing the video today, so as of tomorrow you will have all of the collaborations for the month of July posted. And make sure and write down the dates on your calendar, write down the rules and also the hashtags, guys. You don't want to miss any of these collabs. It's going to be an awesome month, guys. Okay, so now we added the chicken, we added the onion, we do add chicken broth, we do add a vegetable, and then we add loads of cheese and sour cream. We mix this around, and then we taste for seasoning. We gotta let this simmer. I cannot wait for you to see at the end how this turns out. It is delicious. Okay, now the soup is done and is going in 2 separate containers because I made it for my son. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.